Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Instagram story templates. If you're using Instagram and you want to use Instagram story templates, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just have in your build story option to create a new story. And from here just select the camera option to create a new story. So if you want to use templates, so you can use different templates for photos or the videos. Or you can also use this text option or the create option to create text. So just tap on create and here you will get different templates. If you don't have templates option, so you can try to update your Instagram app to get template option or to add new templates here. So now I have only two or three templates. I'm going to select anyone from here. So let's say I'm going to select this one, and here in this template, you can select or wish anyone by tagging him. So here just select and then tap on this option here and you just have to enter the username which you want to mention here and the person will be mentioned. So using this template, you can search or add any GIF to your story. So just tap on this search option to search for any GIF. So let's say I'm going to select happy here. Once you have searched, you'll get different GIFs and you can select which one you want to. Once you have done this, tap on this share to your story option and it will be shared as your own story. So in this way, you can easily add or use Instagram story templates. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.